Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to merge two photos into one picture with Gemini. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So you can see I have first picture of charming male and second image of gorgeous female with different backgrounds. Let's merge these photos in one picture with the help of Gemini. Open your browser and in the address bar, visit gemini.google.com and log in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, this is how the interface looks like. I am showing this on desktop, but the process is same for mobile devices as well. You just need to download the Gemini app from Google App Store or Apple App Store, open it, log into it and use the Compose section. Head over to Compose field and click on the plus icon and select Upload Files. Select the first image that is of male and upload it. And then select the second image that is of female and upload it. Once they are uploaded, we need to give Gemini a specific prompt. This is the secret sauce. Don't just say merge these. If you do so, this is how it's gonna look like, and we don't need this kind of picture. You need to describe how you want them merged. For example, type this: enhanced 4K HD, realistic, stunning photo of a couple smiling and looking at each other in the garden, having beautiful flowers in the background. I will add the same prompt in the description. If you want, you can directly copy paste it and hit enter. Now wait for the Gemini to do the magic. And this is the final result, and it looks amazing and match the description. Now let's create another picture. We will use the same prompt but change the background, like instead of garden, let's use Burj Khalifa in the background. Again, copy paste the prompt and hit enter and wait for the results. And again, beautiful masterpiece is generated by the Gemini. Just like that, you can experiment with different prompts and different images to merge and create stunning images with Gemini. And that's all about this video. I hope this helps. Don't forget to share your prompt that you used for yourself. This will help other viewers. Thanks for watching.